Good morning, students, and welcome to our very first writing class of grade 7. So, today I'm going to share a very close thing to my heart. So, I'm going to teach you how to do a diary writing. Yes. So, class diary writing is something that I've been doing since I was your age, actually, even younger than you. मैं डायरी राइटिंग आपसे भी छोटी थी। आई थिंक तब से आई थिंक 5th या 4th क्लास से मैं तब से डायरी राइटिंग कर रही हूँ। एंड अभी तक आई डोंट नो लाइक मोर देन आई थिंक 10 डायरीज। तो पूरी स्टार्ट से एंड तक मोटी मोटी डायरीज मैंने अभी तक खत्म कर दी होंगी लिख लिख के। सो टुडे आई एम गोना टीच यू हाउ टू डू डायरी राइटिंग एंड it's so much fun. I seriously tell you, it's so much fun. No one ever told me to do diary writing. I started by myself and I never stopped. Even today, till date, I do diary writing every day. I think some of you have seen my diary also. And yes, so today I'm here to share this with you. Let's start. Before we start, I will show you a few examples of diary writing. So I did a quick Google search and here. So here are a few sample. So let's see. Okay. So this girl says, so you see how she has written? She has written the date, day, and she has started with Dear Diary. My wish is my wish is to become a player in the future. So she has removed this. I don't know what was there, but it must be personal. My inspiration is Sania Mirza, and from my side, she's the best women player in the world. I want to be a tennis player because I want to, I don't know, proud to my country. I don't know what this word is. And then she has written her name, Arpita. So we saw this one example where this girl, I think Arpita, is writing that she wants to become a tennis player, and then she says that her inspiration is Sania Mirza. So let's see one more example. Okay, so she writes, today I went to New Delhi. Again, you see here before, this is the date, day. She has also written time, and then she's written Dear Diary, and then she's writing. Okay, today I went to New Delhi railway station to receive Granny and Grandpa. It was really a sunny day. While we were crossing the Yamuna bridge, I saw 3 camels standing in a row that reminded me of my trip to Jaipur. So you see, in the first diary, we saw she was writing about what she want to become in future. In this diary writing, we saw this person is describing her journey to railway station in Delhi. So like this class, there is no one way of writing a diary. You can write anything you want. So that's the beauty of it. Your diary is your own, your personal diary. No one is going to read it. No one is going to do anything. It is for you to write down your thoughts. What are you thinking? Yes, to process your feelings. And it's a very nice way. So when I write diaries, I mostly write diaries when I'm frustrated, when I'm sad. So when I write now I always use a pen and paper to write. So I take my diary and then I write with a pen, and when I'm writing I start to feel better by the end of it. Yes. And sometimes I write when I'm happy, sometimes when I'm very confused, I don't know what to do, so I start writing. Okay, I have this option, I have that option. This option is good, these are the benefits of this option is good for this reason. And then so by writing I try to reason out. So there can be many ways to write, okay, and it is your own. So today, without any more discussions, I'll teach you how to do a diary writing of your own. Okay, so grab a notebook and a pen or pencil. If you need to pause this video right now to go get it, pause the video. All right, class, let's begin. So let's say I'm gonna make a page here. ठीक है? This is like a notebook. So this is your notebook ka page, and on this side write the date. Okay, write the date. So today's date is we have June 17, 2020. Okay, then you can also write the place you are staying in. Okay, then you write the place. So I can write Jaipur because I am in Jaipur, so I will write Jaipur. You write your own place wherever you are. If you are in Mumbai, write Mumbai. If you are in, say, your village, write the name of your village. So here, write the name of the city you are in. Okay, on this side is the date, on this side is the city, whatever the place that you are in. Okay, now we will start. So start with dear diary, right? Dear diary. So जैसे हम अगर कोई भी लेटर लिख रहे होते हैं, so we write respected sir, respected ma'am, dear Raj, any name, uh, so like that we start with dear diary because it's like we are telling our story to this diary. All right, so now we need to decide what I want to write about. So today I choose to write about the first day of online teaching. So this week we started online teaching. So I want to share my experience, how I felt about doing about the first day of online teaching. So I will start. I woke up in the morning feeling excited and nervous as it was the first day of online learning. ठीक है, सो मैं अब इस डायरी में लिख रही हूँ कि जो फर्स्ट डे था मंडे को, जब मैं सुबह उठने से शाम तक मेरा दिन कैसे गया. ठीक है, सो I was very excited. So I have written I was excited and nervous as it was first day of online learning. Where I wasn't sure how the day will go. Yeah, if the students will like the new way of studying. So now I'm writing my thoughts because it's my diary, so I can write my thoughts. Okay, so I've written my thought. But hoping for the best, I got off the bed and began my day. तो अभी तक मैंने क्या लिखा है? I woke up in the morning feeling excited and nervous as it was the first day of online learning. क्योंकि वो first day था, मैं excited भी थी पर nervous भी थी. अब फिर मैंने लिखा है मेरी फीलिंग के बारे में, क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे बोला एक्साइटेड एंड नर्वस, तो उसके बाद मैं लिखूंगी कि मैं कैसा फील करी थी, मेरे को एक्साइटेड एंड नर्वस क्यों फील हो रहा था, व्हाई आई वाज फीलिंग लाइक दिस. आई वाजंट श्योर हाउ द डे विल गो. मैं इसलिए नर्वस थी क्योंकि मेरे को श्योर नहीं थी कि पूरा दिन जाएगा कैसे. इफ द स्टूडेंट्स विल लाइक द न्यू वे ऑफ स्टडिंग, अगर क्या पता स्टूडेंट्स को पसंद नहीं आया नया तरीका पढ़ने का. ठीक है, फिर but hoping for the best, I got off the bed and began my day. But best होगा ये सोच के कि जो होगा अच्छा होगा, मैं बेड से उतरी and मैंने अपना दिन स्टार्ट किया. ठीक है, so I have written this much. This is my morning. Then I will write I then at 8:45 a.m. sent the homework to the students on WhatsApp and SMS. Yes, so the friends who are not on WhatsApp, who do not have internet, I'm sending homework on SMS. So उनको मैंने SMS पे send किया. Yes. Then I waited. फिर मैंने wait किया. किस चीज का wait किया? Then I waited for students' reaction. ठीक है. Many students got what they were supposed to do, but some had doubts. I cleared everyone's doubts and had a successful day of online learning. Yes. So बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स थे. many students got what they were supposed to do. many students को समझ आ गया कि उनको क्या करना है, पर कुछ थे जिनको डाउट था. मैंने सबके डाउट क्लियर किए एंड मेरा जो डे था बहुत सक्सेसफुल था ऑनलाइन लर्निंग के लिए. ठीक है. सो आई हैव रिटन नाउ 2 पैराग्राफ्स आर डन. सो दिस इज माय फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. देन आई लीव अ लाइन एंड देन मैंने स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट करूंगी. इट्स नॉट कि मैं से स्पेस डाल के स्टार्ट करूंगी. नहीं, आपको स्पेस डाल के स्टार्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो अगर आपको पैराग्राफ चेंज करना है, देखो मेरी एक बात यहाँ पे खत्म हो गई कि मैं बेड से उतर गई, तो एक बात खत्म. तो फिर मैं पैराग्राफ change karungi. So how will I change the paragraph? I will leave one line and from the start I will start. Okay, if I leave one line and start, that means mera paragraph change ho gaya, right? So successful day of online learning, ye ho gaya. Now in ab mera day successful tha online learning ke. Now I need one last paragraph to finish कि सोने से पहले what did I do, what did I do. ठीक है. So अब इधर जगह नहीं है. So I will turn the page. इसको मैं अभी के लिए इधर रख देती हूँ. ठीक है. And then here I start writing. So in the next page class you don't need to write this again. Okay, ये आपको दूसरे पेज में दोबारा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can continue from the top of the page. All right, so I will start. Second page में यहाँ से मैं start करती हूँ. So one last paragraph and then it will be over. ठीक है. अब I have described, I cleared everyone's doubt and had a successful day of online learning. Now I will write after that I started preparing for the next day's learning. I created videos for day 2. I was happy at the end of the day and had a nice sleep. Over. That's it. ठीक है. फिर मैंने क्या लिखा है? After that, उसके बाद में I started preparing for the next day's learning. फिर मैंने prepare किया अगले दिन की learning के लिए. I created videos for day 2. So जो videos मैं आपको send करती हूँ, जो day 2 की videos थी, वो मैंने create की. ठीक है. I was happy at the end of the day. Day खत्म होने पे मैं बहुत खुश थी. And had a nice sleep. यहाँ पे and I आएगा. And I had a nice sleep. And मेरे को एक अच्छी नींद आई. And full stop. Over. ठीक है. अब end में डायरी के जब पूरा लिख दिया है, you can put a dash and you can write your own name. So I'm writing my name, Mansi, but you can write your own name because this is your diary and you are writing about yourself. So class, this is the sample diary. इस तरीके से आप डायरी लिख सकते हो. Now for your homework today, your writing homework is you have to do one diary writing. Okay, one diary writing. And what will be the topic? On the topic first day of online learning. अभी मैंने आपको मेरा फर्स्ट डे ऑफ ऑनलाइन लर्निंग डिस्क्राइब किया, राइट? मैंने डायरी में मेरा फर्स्ट डे कैसा था वो लिखा है, बट आपको क्या मेरा लिखना है? नहीं, आप टीचर नहीं हो ना, आप स्टूडेंट हो. तो सपोज मैं अगर मेरा नाम अमृता है, तो मैं अमृता को कैसा लगा फर्स्ट डे वो अमृता लिखेगी. उठने से सोने तक हाउ डिड अमृता फील, अमृता विल राइट. यस. हाउ डिड से श्रवांग फील, पूरे दिन वो श्रवांग लिखेगा. यस. सो आप अपनी फीलिंग्स, अपने थॉट्स, जो फर्स्ट डे अभी हमारा मंडे को ऑनलाइन लर्निंग हुआ, आपके थॉट्स क्या थे, आपका दिन कैसा गया पूरा, वो आप लिखोगे. Got it? So that's your homework for today. Write this after writing. Okay, this spelling is wrong. Sorry. Writing. After writing, you know what to do? Yes, you guessed it right. Take a picture and send to teacher. Where will you send? You will send it on homework and doubt group. Okay. All right. All the best.